Hello everyone, I'm Karthi Vignesh. In this video, we're going to be talking about lesson number 2 in WebTech Technology Lab, which is to design a website using HTML form elements and media elements. So basically, we have to replicate a website like this. The samples have been provided in the question, and so it's a university page, and it has 3 pages in total. One is the about us, then animation, then academic calendar, 3 sections, and a search bar on the top. This is the header of the page, and this is the first page. This is the second page, which is the application form, and this is the third page, which is a PDF. So, so I already created the web page. So I'm gonna first I'm gonna show you the website and how it looks like. After that, I'll go through the tags one by one. So this is the home page that gets open. So it's a university page, and we have the header on the top, and we have a banner picture here. And as you can see, we have the about us on the left and a video on the right.
Congrats.
The video works, and the video is playing. And same for the audio. The music is working. So after that, we have a sign in form here with username and password and a login button, and we have a map here which shows the university location. So this matches the sample page 1. So this is sample page 1. So I'm going from the main page to the admissions page now. So this is the sample page 2, and it also matches all the values as in the sample. So here there are some things that I have mentioned. So all the fields in the form are required fields and it's only empty. So this is for second page. Okay, I'll just go through one by one. Again, for the home pages, the first page should have 3 sections: header, content section, footer. Header should be the top of the page, consists all the things. Content has 2 columns and all the things. Footer goes to the bottom of the page, and that's where we have to keep the sign form and all the things. So we have completed that one. This is the header one, this is the main content, and this is the footer one, which has the location and the sign-in page. So that all the guidelines for the first page has been satisfied. So second page is to second page should have the applicant details, and it should with an action value of submit.php. So we have given it in the code. When we are going to the code, we'll get to that part. And after that, all the fields should be required. And name field should have autofocus. It has the autofocus. And placeholder text and everything. Password should have at least 8 characters. And all these things has been implemented here. So if we try to submit it, it will ask us to fill the values. So all these values should be filled somehow. So only then the the HTML page will take in the response that we are giving here. So after that, as you can see, this sample page matches. The page that I have created matches the sample page here. So moving on from here, we have the calendar one, that is the last page. So here we have the calendar for the academic. We have the academic calendar as in the sample page. So all the 3 pages has been coded successfully. So I'll go through the code now. So this is the first one. So in this one, inside the head page, we have the title, all the things, etc. And inside the body, we have this. I have commented this as the header. This is the header one. So basically, this is the table which has the 3 redirections and the search bar here. So this is the header one. So moving on, we have a divider. Sorry, we have a div element, which has the image that is being displayed as a banner here. So when we click on this one, this is the banner image that is being shown there. So after that, we have a table. This table is being used for the about us, and the left side we have about us, right? On the right side we have video. That is the first table. So here in the first TD we have given the about us page with a h1 tag and a paragraph tag, and the second TD element we have the homepage.mp4 which plays the video there. So we are closing that table, we are giving a HR, and after that we have the next table, which is again the bottom table, which has the sign-in form and the maps. So on the left we have a field set, which is the starting of the form, and we have the legend as sign-in, we have the table spacing, all the things, and we have 2 table rows, one is username, another one is password, along with the inputs for the respective fields. And then we have a central line submit button, which has the value as login. and that is for the form thing. And then we have a 3D element which has the iframe source as the Google Map embed, which is giving us the location of the university. In this case, it gives us the location of the Harvard University. So this is the first HTML page. The second one is this one. This one is basically full of the form element. So first again, this header is copy pasted from the first one because it should be the common one in all three pages. And again, after that, we have the form given as form action server.php. It should be given as submit.php. I'll change this now. And in a method get, and in the field set, inside the field set, we have the legend as registration form, and after that we have the table with all the input values. So first one, we are given as name, input type as text, placeholder is given, application number, type is text, placeholder given, password, type is password, placeholder given, and the record is also given as minimum 8 characters. Date of birth, type is given as date, age type is given as number, and it should be minimum 18, maximum 20 for registration. And mobile number, type is given as telephone, placeholder is given as telephone, max length is 10, and record pattern is also given. Email ID, type is mail, placeholder is given as sample, record field. Gender, and I given 3 radio buttons, male, female, and other category. And address, I given a text area for 4 rows, 15 column length, and I given as input your address as the value. And languages known, I given a checkbox, English, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, and Hindi checkboxes. Select your course, drop down menu, I have given 5 values, CSE, ECE, Biotech, Aerospace, and Mechanical. And after that we have the upload file and input type as file, that is another next table element. And after that we have the progress bar, which has a static value since this is only HTML, and it shows the value as 50% done. And after that we have the final submit button, which has the value as submit form. So this is the second page basically. So third page, as you can see, every every single input type is given as required, and that satisfies this condition in the guidelines. So it's the third page. In this one, again the same header has been copy pasted. After that, inside the div element, we have iframe, and the source is calendar.pdf, and I given the width as 100% and height as 600 pixels. So that is why it's showing full screen. So these are 3 pages that I have designed, and yeah, all the 3 pages works as intended. So that is the end of exercise number 2 in the technology lab. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.